Hey everybody, Travis here. Welcome to another episode of GenGatorz University, where we debunk the cheap generator myth. So a lot of times we get calls and people still think that generators are $10,000 or $8,500 or $9,000 installed. In 2024, for a whole home generator on the average size home, that's just a myth. There are programs and there are products that fall in that category, but what we're going to do is unpack our number one seller and the cost of that installation to basically give the game away for free. We're out here to empower our clients, to empower other generator providers. We don't have any secrets here, so let's get to work. So basically what we have is a 26 kW basic install. The MSRP on the unit, you can find it anywhere on the internet, on a 26 kW Kohler with a standard 5-year warranty with the automatic transfer switch included, is going to be $7,200, give or take. That's equipment and transfer switch, generator and transfer switch. The labor for our install crew, that's truck, that's trailer, that's tools, that's a lead installer, certified electrician, gas fitter, trench digger, and the entire crew. That cost is going to be about $3,500. Maintenance, your 1-year maintenance plan on a basic plan is going to be $499. The material to install your gas line outside of our basic installation is about 15 feet, and that material is going to run you about $750. The electrical material to tie in your ATS to your meter pan and your ATS to your generator, conduit, Carflex, elbows, all the NEC code rated material is going to be about an additional $750. Your foundation, this is $450. That is for a preform concrete pad, 4 inches thick. Your accessories are going to be your battery, your surge protector for the transfer switch, which is now required by NEC code. Permitting, we apply for permitting. We're white glove turnkey service. Permitting in our local area of Terrebonne and Lafourche Parish is $300. New Orleans, St. Tammany, Assumption, St. Mary's, Tangipahoa, St. Charles, other parishes that we work in, those permit costs vary. Remote monitoring, cellular remote monitoring. We're the only dealer in the area that offers cellular remote monitoring that is transparent across any model of generator. That installation cost is $400. Extended warranty, if you want to go out to 10 years, that typically costs $1,000. But guess what? On April 1st, we'll be starting our promo, so call now, get in line. That warranty is going to be free, so we're going to throw that in. And of course, Uncle Sam and the parish, they want their portion too, so there's about 9.5% of taxes on the equipment only, and that comes out to about $850, bringing a grand total to you of $15,199. But wait, there's more. We offer 0% for 25 months, 0% financing for 18 months, 0% financing for 12 months, or payments as low as $199 that can go all the way out to 96 months with very modest interest rates with average credit score. So this again is for a 26 kW. If we went to a 20 kW, this same package, this price would be slashed by about $1,200. Your taxes would be cut, and that would be a grand total of about $13,899 for a 20 kW installed automatic home standby generator. Here it is, folks. We're giving the game away for free. So if you want a professional generator only service company that has certified, trained, and licensed technicians capable of servicing everything from 2 kilowatt all the way to 2,000, give the GenGatorz a call. Here we are, giving you the secrets for free. Come check us out at GenGatorz, 152 North Hollywood Road, 857-0357, or GenGatorz with a Z.com, where we take a bite out of service.